And here we have got with us the MD and CEO of iScholar Knowledge Service Private Limited, and that is Rajendra Prasad Nadhela. We'll be requesting sir to say his speech, and we'll be requesting you people to put up your hands together for sir once again.
First of all, I would like to thank Vivekanand Dubrai for starting very early in the morning from Mumbai and reaching here. And before we go to and talk about our business, I think we should take a minute to thank Dr. Pradeep Mitra and his fantastic team of COVID warriors who made this event possible. Some of you would know that we planned this event exactly a year back in March last year, and unfortunately just few days before that there were government restrictions, and you know what all happened over the last 1 year. There was so much fears of heavy casualties and all, but this team with their unrelenting effort and efficiency made us proud and made us safe first, and because of their effort that we are able to have this event. Thank you very much, sir. And then I have to thank Dr. Goswami of all the people, because he was the first person who believed in this model of say blended learning and having learning centers, and partnered with us, and that is also the reason we were insistent that we should have a first event in this part of the country, and we have a large number of partners also in this part of it. Before going further, as we seem to be in a Bollywood mode with a Bollywood star on the stage, I thought let me give a surprise to him also. We have a friend of his who wanted to join from Mumbai but couldn't make it. So there's a short video message from him. Richard, can I request you to play that?
नमस्ते, मैं हूं श्रेयस तलपदे। हमें अक्सर खुशी किस चीज से मिलती है? जाहिर सी बात है, जब हमारे सपने पूरे होते हैं। लेकिन हमें खुशी के साथ साथ पुण्य, सुकून और संतुष्टि किस चीज से मिलती है? जब हम दूसरों के सपने पूरे करने में उनकी मदद करें। जी हां, आज मैं आपको जिस कंपनी से इंट्रोड्यूस कराने जा रहा हूं, उनका मकसद भी यही है। i30 लर्निंग सेंटर एक ऐसी एजुकेशन टेक्नोलॉजी कंपनी है जिनका मिशन यही है कि हमारे देश के हर बच्चे तक सर्वोत्तम शिक्षा पहुंचाए, ताकि हमारे देश के डॉक्टर्स, इंजीनियर्स, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स सिर्फ बड़े शहरों से नहीं, बल्कि हर टाउन, हर डिस्ट्रिक्ट, हर गांव से आए। मुझे जब इस कंपनी के बारे में पता चला तो मैं तुरंत इनके साथ जुड़ गया। इट वॉज अ नो ब्रेनर। और मैंने जिम्मा उठाया कि मैं महाराष्ट्र और गोवा के ज्यादा से ज्यादा बच्चों तक इनके लर्निंग मॉडल्स पहुंचाऊंगा। आपको पता है, मैंने एक बात हमेशा समझी है कि भविष्य उसी इंसान का है जो पुराने और नए का एक बैलेंस बनाकर उसे ब्लेंड करके आगे बढ़ता है। i30 लर्निंग का भी कुछ ऐसा ही फंडा है। इनका लर्निंग मॉड्यूल जो है वो एक ब्लेंडेड लर्निंग मॉड्यूल है। मतलब ये ऑनलाइन क्लासेस क्लासरूम में कंडक्ट करते हैं। हम सभी को ये पता है कि ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन इज द फ्यूचर, उसका इंपॉर्टेंस हम मान चुके हैं। बट हम सभी को ये भी पता है कि क्लासरूम में सबके साथ, दोस्तों के साथ पढ़ने का, पीयर टू पीयर लर्निंग का क्या एडवांटेज है। अब सोचिए, अगर ये दोनों एडवांटेजेस एक साथ कंबाइन हो जाए तो बच्चों के लिए कितना बेनिफिशियल होगा। इनके IITian, NITian और एक्सपीरियंस चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स जब बच्चों को पढ़ाते हैं तो उनका तरीका बहुत ही क्लियर और सिंपल होता है। वो बच्चों के न सिर्फ कॉन्सेप्ट्स क्लियर करते हैं, बल्कि उन्हें हर तरीके की कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम के लिए प्रिपेयर करते हैं। मैं श्रेयस तलपदे आज इस मैसेज के जरिए आप सभी को इस बढ़ती हुई फैमिली का एक महत्वपूर्ण सदस्य बनने का निमंत्रण देता हूं। इनके स्कूल टाइप मॉडल्स और फ्रेंचाइजी मॉडल्स बहुत ही सरल और इंप्रेसिव है। आप चाहे एक स्कूल हो या प्राइवेट ट्यूशन क्लासेस हो, या टीचर हो, प्रोफेसर हो, या बिजनेसमैन हो, या फिर एक सक्सेसफुल बिजनेस करने का सपना देखते हो, आप इनके साथ या इनके मास्टर फ्रेंचाइज ऑरेंज स्किल्स के साथ जुड़ जाइए, ताकि हम सब मिलके ना सिर्फ सक्सेसफुल इंजीनियर्स, डॉक्टर्स और चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंट्स तैयार करे, बल्कि अपने लिए भी एक विनिंग बिजनेस मॉडल तैयार करे जो लॉन्ग टर्म हो, कमर्शियली बेनिफिशियल हो एंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंटली सोशली रिस्पॉन्सिबल हो।
सपने देखना हमारे देश के हर एक बच्चे का हक है और उन्हें पूरा करना हम सबका कर्तव्य।
Yeah, I think I must thank Shreyas and his brother Gaurish for that fantastic effort. Previously, I used to have a lot of difficulty when people ask, what is I-30, what is it you're trying to do? I've outsourced all that explanation to Bollywood. So no, they write the script and they act it out. No, anyone asks a question, I can, Vivek Anand ka video dekh lo, ya bhi to Shreyas bhi jud ke. And on the lighter note, Vivek ji itne Bollywood stars se introduce kar rahe hain with his support to grow this brand and company. तो मुझे डर है कि कुछ दिन में कंपनी बॉलीवुड जैसा बन जाएगा और मैं खुद करण जौहर जैसा बन जाऊँ। Okay. That aside, okay, let's move next. What is it we are trying to do here? There are certain problems in the education sector and in the need that people and students have. First is a gap in accessibility. They are fantastic teachers, they are very committed teachers, they are fantastic institutions, but they are few and far apart. So how do we bridge that gap of accessibility? Students, especially when they are at a high school level, shouldn't have to travel away from their home just to get an extra tuition or coaching. They should get it at home or closest to their home. That accessibility gap is an important factor. Two is the affordability. How do we make high quality teaching where it is available, affordable also? Because even if we take Mumbai, not everyone is very rich. There is only one Mukesh Ambani, not even Anil Ambani is rich. So we want to make the product as affordable so that maximum number of parents, students can have access to high quality education product. Then quality is important. Having accessibility and affordability without quality doesn't serve the purpose because it doesn't help students realize their dream. So we need to achieve accessibility and affordability without having to compromise on the quality. Only way we can do that is by say utilizing technology. Then another factor is the first two things, accessibility, affordability, indirectly and unintentionally does this create a gender gap. What I mean is if we don't have a quality coaching close to home, then parents may be willing to send their boy to Kota or to some other far off town, let them stay there for a year or two. But they may not be happy to do the same for a girl from a security reason and for various factors. So without unintentionally that's creating two gap in the gender opportunities. Can we create a product which addresses that gap? And then flexibility. Flexibility in terms of how do I approach my coaching. Right. The end is common for everybody, but it doesn't need to be very restrictive and a military kind of training where you do it only this way, no other way. So trying to merge all this is what we have come up with. It's a blended learning model. What is blended learning model? I mean, at a high level, online as well as offline combination. But in the offline also, we are leveraging technology. We're not just depending on a locally available teacher because that will affect the quality part of what I mentioned before. So there, use the virtual learning technology so that you're learning providing this teaching to a physical classroom, but through virtual technology. But then why is a physical classroom required? Because the system environment is used to a particular way of learning. And then there is a peer learning and friends meeting kind of element. If 4 or 5 friends are preparing together for IIT or for a medicine, they are more likely to do better if they prepare together. So their coaching can be together. They come to the same coaching center classroom, sit there, attend the virtual classroom, then they have access to the same app. So they take the same test, they get to compete with the best of the other students from across the country. Thereby definitely they'll have a better preparation. And to take this blended learning model to the market, we had a plan in very clearly from beginning. We wanted it in a partnership model. We as a company didn't want to try to do everything. So we thought a company will concentrate on creating the content or managing the quality of the content, and two, managing the technology to deliver that content. And then depend on the partners to take it to the market. So through a system of master franchisees and franchisees, set up learning centers, as many as possible, as close to the where students are, so that the partners manage the one, physical infrastructure, and two, take care of the marketing and local marketing and sales, so that they get maximum students on board. And through a clearly defined revenue share model, we all can grow together and grow bigger. When we started with all this, we had a few centers, and around this time last year, we were at a stage where centers who just signed up were about to open up, and then this happened. What lockdown means is, at a high level, it may look like, okay, online education has actually grown, what is the problem? But for a learning center model, you actually couldn't open the center. So we had to make a pivot on how we were planning to go to market, and allow students to access the classes from home instead of coming to the center. At the same time, the learning center could market in their own region and then onboard students. With this change model, a lot of us found a little challenge or difficulty in scaling up to the extent that we wanted. Some of you were very successful, but all said, this is a difficult period for everybody for various reasons, not the least because of economic stress it has caused across the society. In this, I must thank every master franchisee and all the franchisees for sticking with it. A lot of times, heroes don't only do great things, they need to survive to fight another day. Here I will draw a comparison to the Sydney test that happened. The heroes in that test were Hanuma Vihari and what is that? Ashwin. Sorry, I'm not very good with that. So they didn't score any sixes, they didn't score any centuries, but they just hung in there till end of the day. So they are big heroes. So for us, I think 2020 was like a Sydney test. But what is important is, from there, we need to go to Brisbane. And there we need to be like Rishabh Pant, and the team score those 300 odd runs in one day itself and make history. I'm sure we are on the verge of doing that, and you all are very competent and capable to do that. You need to energize yourself, draw parallels from what our cricketing heroes are doing. And even Bollywood had a tough year with no releases and with OTT platforms, but then I'm sure it will have a lot more in this period also. Of course, Vivek Anand Oberoi had a great web series, Inside Edge, I think among the best in the lot, and got a highest traction. So life is about adapting to the changing situations. We fortunately have been by planning itself, we wanted to be online, use technology. So when most others, because they were coming online because they had no other option, we had a plan and readiness to do this. Now we just need to scale up and take it much further. With a very committed partner like Vivekanand Oberoi, I'm sure we'll do that, and very fast. I'm grateful to him. There's only one problem working with him. It is that for any event like this, we need photographs. We search online, all that we find is gangster photos. If we put वो फोटो डालो तो भाई बच्चों को डरा देगा. So we have to do a lot of hunting to find. Maybe we'll have a photo shoot to have photos that are suitable for education side. Yeah, nice. So this is a big thank you to all the partners for being there, and I'm also glad and proud of the fact that we didn't let down our student. Not a student who has joined us. I mean, we allowed no disruption in live classes any single day throughout the year. The app was working and up 100% time throughout. There were no issues. We held on to the commitment of clearing a number of doubts, 24/7 doubt clarification support we mentioned. We were honoring that. In spite of not having the numbers that we wanted, we delivered. That should give you confidence in the workability of the model and with a renewed confidence now that we are able to move out and do things, you can market better in your areas, and I'm sure in a couple of months the centers also will be open, and that will give you a greater leverage. All that unsaid, we have till now talked about our own how do we survive and move forward. At the same time, our target market, that is the parents and students, they also had a tough economic year. That's where we felt that we need to do little more. As it is, we are trying to keep the cost of the product as low as possible, but can we do something more to help? That's how we worked and come up with this scholarship. And I think rightly called it Covidya, meaning we have both on the stage. We have a COVID man. I mean, he didn't bring the COVID, he was actually fighting the COVID. And we are trying to bring Vidya to the masses. With a combination of this, we'll get into details of the scholarship a little later while unveiling. I won't make you wait any longer, because we all, including me, have come to hear the star and not hear myself. Thank you.